We occasionally get asked about placement of our urethral catheter electrode. Here it is in our sterile pouch, removed from the sterile pouch, and you can see that this is a standard Foley catheter, 100% silicone, with our extremely low profile, gentle electrode placed over top. And we have a standard Foley kit. We purposefully did not design a Foley kit. Why? To save you money. Use your existing low-cost Foley kits that you have in your operating room, except remove the Foley from inside of the kit and instead use our urethral catheter electrode, which is a standard Foley. Use all the accessories, your standard protocols, and upon placement, this urimeter bag will fit this Foley, and at the point that you're ready, simply unwind the electrode set and pass this off the table to your neuromonitoring team. It's just that simple.